Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve failed opening on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.